It's a new month. We are nearly halfway through the year. Well, no, we are halfway through the year. How did that happen? So it's time to check out those keywords that we're selling for the past month. If this is your first time here, we deep dive into the top keywords that were popular on Etsy in the past month, and we see if there's ways we can dive into that to find little niches that are untapped, because obviously the big things are just too big for us mere mortal sellers, but there's usually little nuggets of coolness to be found. So let's dive into it. So I'm using my eRank expert account here. Although I also work for eRank, videos on this channel are my own. And this is under Trends, Monthly Trends. This is to see all the data. This is a paid feature, but all users can see the first few keywords, so you can always check up what's trending for the month. And we're just going to do the top 20 first of all, and then we'll dig into things that have caught my eye. So at number 1 for the month of May 2025, the number 1 searched term on Etsy was gift for him. This is in the US, by the way. I always look at the US because it's by far the biggest market. So with over 100,000 searches in the month, gift for him was doing really good, which is interesting. We do have Father's Day coming up. However, I would say still masculine coded items on Etsy are not as saturated as other items. So if you can make things for the boy in your life, might be worth looking into. We might deep dive this one. Number 2 is unique gift for mum and gift for mum. Those would be tail end of Mother's Day searches, I think. People are always buying things for mothers, so it is popular. However, I'm liking gift for him better. We'll come to that. Number 4, wall art. All things wall art related has been trending for many months, many years now. People come to Etsy for wall art. Gift for her. Okay, people shop for a lot of things for mum. We've just had Mother's Day in the US, but searches for mothers are always popular. But I'm thinking we should give the guy some love. Stickers. Love that this is trending a lot, because this, for anyone who designs cool things, I don't know, takes good, cute pictures, can draw nice things, stickers is an easy entry into Etsy for most of us. It's easy to ship, it's easy to create. It might be a fun way to dive in. Best gift for mum. Personalized gift. If you can personalize a gift for him, might be a good thing. But personalized is always pushed hard on Etsy. They want to make that their unique selling point, that you can get things personalized and custom. If you're thinking of a tag strategy in your shop and you've run out of ideas and you've got a couple of tags free, I would be adding personalized and customized into some of your tags if that's what your item is. Number 8 is t-shirt. That seems to have been holding steady. Excuse me. Number 10 is rings, and both rings and number 11 earrings have a fire symbol by them. That means they're also currently hot. Necklace, jewelry, always popular on Etsy as well. Number 13 is the trademark infringing Pokemon. People can search for it. Chances are you can't buy it. Number 14, search. Unique gift for dad. That's a one-off spike, so that is probably something on the Etsy homepage. Wow, voice is gone already. Number 16 is bracelet. What's that? 4 jewelry searches in the top 20 already. Number 17 is women's clothing. 18, Father's Day. Now that's not just a one-off spike. Searches for that started a couple of months ago. Excuse me. Here's a growing one. This was big a few years ago. In fact, this was big during the pandemic, but press-on nails is growing. People are liking having their stick-on talons again. And number 20 is VTuber. Again, it's been growing steadily. This has been in the top the top searches for a wee while. So there's some ideas of what's trending. If you have a paid account, you can see all the way down to the top 100 at least here. But let's deep dive gift for him. Let's see if there's a little niche within a niche here. So, as I say, these, like even I say, stickers is a good market to get into. Yeah, but your shop is not going to be based on just people searching for stickers and finding you. You want to look in and find the types of stickers. So it's the same gift for him. What is popular? What kind of sub niches are they? So this is the beta. Well, it's now in production. If you want the original keyword tool, you can get back to it from here, but this is what was the beta of the keyword tool. I prefer it better, but I know it takes a while to get used to new things. So if you haven't seen this before, I can be showing you it as well. But so we can see this started just before Christmas as a trending thing. Before that, it was getting a bit of searches, but a big spike up for this year. But I would have expected to do well over Christmas and then die away to nothing, but it's doing pretty good. And it's doing pretty good in the US and a bit in the UK, and then a little bit mixture of other countries. But yeah, US, UK, looks good to me. So we're going to look into the related keywords, but the first thing I want to do is look at the top listings to see what kinds of items are people buying for the gifts for men. So it's probably, golf things. Men related sports, they'll probably be like DIY type things, tequila label, yay, drinks things. Yeah, bachelorette party gifts for him dad. You're trying to hit a lot of bases there. But okay, what else is there? Gift wrap papers, golf dad. So golf is popular, interesting. Personalized daddy bag. Wrapping paper again. That is interesting because this is showing what Etsy's ranking as the top listings here before personalization. So this is what Etsy thinks people are searching for. So definitely wrapping paper and gift tags for dads is showing up in gift for dads. Interesting. Didn't expect that. Vinyl decals for cars. Yep, stuff for cars, always popular type masculine gifts. Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, and wrapping paper, very interesting. And we can also look, search results analysis page just compiles all those things in the top listings and just gives us the 100 top listings, so we get an idea of the average price. So it's not cheap things. So there's money to be made in this niche. And then we look at like the average daily views. This may be discouraging to some. The number's pretty low. On average, listings get about one view a day. That means there's lots of listings with none and a few listings with a lot. But if it's a low average daily views when a lot of people are searching, and we've got a click-through rate, so people are clicking on listings, but if it's low average daily views, that says it might be possible for you to rank even for this keyword because the listings aren't great. So people aren't necessarily, everything that's there isn't necessarily great. So this could be a good category. And yeah, interestingly, the categories is gift wrapping, labels, stickers. So sticker shops do stuff for dads. Yeah, this is not what I expected, but right, let's find the niche. Well, we already have. If you are doing tags or gift wrapping or something, then can you do some masculine stuff? Very, very much a lot of the stuff out there is feminine coded, so or childish. What about some masculine wrapping paper? That is a niche that could definitely be very interesting. But let's see what we've got here now. With the new version of the keyword tool, if you haven't seen this before, it's a little easier to dig into the weeds. Now, if I'm looking for a niche, I want something that doesn't have a lot of competition yet. The competitors haven't figured it out, but that lots of people are searching for. So these little funnel here, we can filter by things. So I want less than in the competition, less than, say, less than 40,000 of a competition. You can go lower, you can go higher, but I want to get rid of the very high competition. What naughty gift for him straight away. And then we get some different ideas of stuff that there isn't so much people searching for, but already it's not a lot of people searching. It's maybe one-off spikes. I want to find the stuff that people are searching for just now. Let's get in with the trending stuff. So if I click on this search trend, this ranks it by the top things that people have been searching for in the past month. So we get a better idea. So related to gift for him, pocket knife. Now, the rules on Etsy and around the world on weapons and everything, but some kind of knife is possibly okay. I can't remember the exact rules. Check before you sell anything on Etsy. But could a pocket knife be a gift for him? Yes. Could a pocket knife be personalized? Yes. Could it be a unique gift for your boyfriend? Could it be a 21st birthday gift? And there's so many things. You don't just have to look at this and go, can I make or can I personalize pocket knives? What are we doing with them? We're making them for him. Could they be funny? Could it be a keepsake, a memory or something? So we get some ideas there. So that is not bad. Pocket knife, people search for it all year round. Bet you that's Christmassy time. Yes, November. So people are searching for pocket knives. Gift for boyfriend unique, that looks like it's probably a Etsy search term, but a little bit all the time. And again, can you make wallets? Can you make them for men? Potentially. So let's see, is there anything else that stands out? Anniversary gifts, yes. But these give you ideas. What is it that you make? Can it fit into it? So if you made little bronze things, could it be for a bronze anniversary gift for him? Just give it, don't, with these kind of things, we're not necessarily wanting to jump into it, make a 21st birthday gift for him shop, but what do you make? Could it be a very good 21st birthday gift for him if you do things like the pocket knife, put their date of birth or something on it? But yes, it's lots of anniversary gifts and birthday gifts. College graduation. Now, graduation period, as Jan over at eRank says, dads and grad season. You've got Father's Day and graduation things. So yes, keep an eye out for those. Custom bottle opener. That's cool, and that can also work in with the knife as well. You can have knives that have bottle openers. That's a custom thing. Yep. Groomsman box. Lace anniversary gift for him. I think we're getting racy again. That's a strange search term, but if you make lacy things for men, could it be for their anniversary? First anniversary. Now that's a spike out of nowhere. That's an interesting one that Etsy's probably pushing. Groomsman proposal. Oh yes, I've seen these for bridesmaid as well. It's where best man and things like that. You propose, you go to the guy that's going to be your best man, your groomsman or whatever, and you're giving a proposal. So it could be a card, a gift or something to say, hey, I'm getting married, would you be my special person on the day? So that's a popular thing now. Is it an American? Well, it's an American thing because it says groomsman. Yeah, but I've seen it. Yeah. I've seen proposals for asking people to prom, proposals for everything. Oh, crystal gift for him. Now, as you scroll down, you're getting into things that have less regular searches. So I wouldn't tie your shop on any of these, but hey, cotton's okay. A little bit of searches all year round. I'm going to say gifts for him is very much anniversary, although it's fluctuates the season, so you have to keep an eye on this and see what people are searching for. You could even, this is something where you could get repeat sales. If you had a really cool shop that made the best ever thing that some people came to you for their first anniversary and they loved it, the next year, now if you've invited people to your mailing list and they join in, and you had a lot of people last year buying for a first anniversary, could you feature your second anniversary things? Put something special in your listing for how this is going to be a second anniversary gift. Yeah, and they could make something a collectible so they buy it every single year. My mum used to, for my dad, buy miniatures of whiskey every single year. So is it a little something that could be collected every year? Yeah. It's a lot of anniversary gifts. Okay, so if you're getting something for a him, um, I would be looking at personalized things, a personalized anniversary gift of a pocket knife. It could have bronze pieces. It could be a bottle opener. Yeah, there's. I hope that helps give you an idea. Even if this isn't your niche, this is just how I drill down into these kind of things to find something potentially in the niche. Now, as I make needle felted dogs, I'm sitting thinking, wool is a anniversary. I can't remember what it is. Could my items be an anniversary gift for the wool year? Potentially. Also, I make animals, so I've got to think of the Chinese New Year. It gets, I guess, the creative juices flowing. Now, there's no guarantee if you find something that your shop's going to rank for it, that people will love what you found. But if you find the things that people are looking for that aren't so saturated, you have a better chance. I hope that helps. Let me know what creative juices that got flowing, if there's any ideas you had there. And yeah, I will see you next time.